SPSS Assignment Help 2025. Tired of chasing good help? Whether you need a genius writer, a brainy tutor, or a data wizard, Intudo4U has them all. It's like having a research dream team on demand. Fast, reliable, and way smarter than your average freelancer. No more late nights Googling. Just results that impress. Why get stuck in the internet jungle? Go smart, go Intudo4U. Need help with SPSS in 2025? Whether you're trying to understand it or just want someone to finish your assignment, you're in the right place. Before we dive deep, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to our channel. We're here to make tough assignments simple every week. This is Intudo4U, your trusted partner for learning or outsourcing academic projects. Real tutoring. Real results. What is SPSS and why it matters? SPSS, short for Statistical Package for the Social Sciences, is a powerful tool used in psychology, education, business, public health, and more. It helps you run statistical tests, analyze data, and draw conclusions from surveys, experiments, and real-world numbers. With SPSS you can summarize data, mean, median, mode, run correlations and regressions, compare groups, t-test, ANOVA, visualize data with histograms, scatterplots, and box plots, and even clean messy data before analysis. SPSS versus Excel, what's the difference? You might ask, can't I just use Excel? Well, not really. Excel is great for basic stats. But SPSS? It's built for serious analysis. Psychology experiments, market research, medical trials, business reports. And it's more accurate, more automated, and way better with large datasets. And if you need more and clear help and a fast tutoring, just visit to yours website Intudo4U.com, the place where your all problems was solved in seconds with professionals. How to download SPSS in 2025. Ready to try it out? Step 1. Go to ibm.com/products/SPSS-statistics. Step 2. Click Try Free, you get a 30-day full trial. Step 3. Sign up, download, install, done. Graduation cap student tip, check your university's IT portal. Many schools offer free or discounted licenses for students. SPSS Interface Tour, Fast Basics. When you open SPSS, you'll see two views. Data view, your raw numbers. Think of it like a spreadsheet, where you define each column, name, type, label, etc. To run a test, go to Analyze Descriptive Stats Frequencies for basic stats. Or Analyze Compare Means Independent Samples t-test to compare groups. Click OK, and boom, results in the output window. Charts? Just go to Graphs Chart Builder, drag and drop, no coding needed. Here's what students usually struggle with, and what we help with every day at Intudo4U. T-tests, ANOVA, regression, survey data analysis, hypothesis testing, chi-square tests, correlation and reliability, APA-style result write-ups. Whether it's a small 500-word report or a full-blown thesis, we've got you covered. Option 1, learn SPSS with our tutors. Want to actually learn SPSS? At Intudo4U, we connect you with real human tutors, not AI bots. You'll get one-on-one help using your own data, with real examples and full explanations. This is perfect for psychology, education, marketing, or public health students. Just go to www.intudo4u.com, click Tutoring, and get started. Option 2, outsource your assignment. No time to learn? We get it. Outsource your SPSS work to our expert analysts at Intudo4u.com. We handle everything from data cleaning to analysis to full report writing, always with academic integrity and custom results. Upload your file, pick your deadline, and relax. We'll deliver it, clean, accurate, and ready to submit. Why Intudo4U is trusted by students worldwide. Thousands of students from 20+ countries trust Intudo4U for a reason. No copy-paste. Real experts. Affordable prices. Fast communication. Results that make sense. We're not just a service, we're a partner in your academic journey. Whether you want to master SPSS or just get your project done, there's only one smart move: go to Intudo4U.com today. Learn it. Outsource it. Submit it. Win. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to yours channel. Thanks for watching.